Here's a shortcut to losing all your money. Now, imagine you've done all the hard yards. You've done the research. You've spoken to the accountant. You've spoken to financial planners, your buyer's agent. You've done it all. You've gone through the process, researched, found the property, negotiated, won the auction, did it all. Found the property, bought the property in the best location. And then you decided you don't need a property manager. You'll just do it yourself. Big mistake. Not hiring a property manager is one of the golden ways to lose money in real estate. And it's not worth it after doing all the hard yards. A property manager is going to make sure that you've got the right tenants, doing background checks, making sure they've been paying their rent in previous tenancies. They're going to make sure you get the most money by putting the best rental prices up with the best photos, with the best videos and all the rest. They will take care of maintenance, so you're not getting calls at 2 a.m. saying the fire alarm's gone off and there's water dripping from the roof. And that's the property manager's job. Or for a few dollars, they will save you money. Don't make that mistake. Don't get stingy right at the end after you've done all the hard yards.